Hey guys, it's Wolf here. Welcome to this video. So my name is Wolf and this is going to be a funny video where I talk about and show you Binance actually sent me this massive packet that's full of this kind of like crazy drip. I mean, I'm telling you it's crazy. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything that they sent me. And this is not a paid promotion, but they went as far as sending me this massive packet, and there's another coming. So I will create another video about that. They send me another one. Okay, so I want to cover this because this is so cool. Like it's crazy. The quality of these items is just absolutely crazy. It makes me feel like a multimillionaire already. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to start this with the just most ridiculous one. Okay, let me show you. I mean, look at this. This is a Binance Card. Okay, look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. This is a great thumbnail, by the way. Okay, we need to make it. Okay. And this is ridiculous. I have never seen anything like this. So this is a massive carpet, very high quality. It's very great to stand on. Absolutely massively. Like I'm so excited about this because I usually just stand on a like cold floor, but now I can rest on this like beautiful Binance carpet. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, then there's also the bucket. I need to get a haircut though. But anyway, so there's the bucket hat. This kind of like the if you know young lean from Sweden, kind of like I've been Sweden many times. So Sweden is very it's very close. It's like a 1 hour boat trip to Sweden or something like that. It's very close. And also anyway, so but so this is kind of like the sad boys, kind of like Binance. This is like that kind of like OG stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then the the current shirt that I'm currently wearing. I'm telling you, the quality is crazy. I have had like designer clothes. I have this like have those, but they were kind of like they didn't like they're great. They look great, but they don't feel great. At least the ones that I have tried. But this feels very great. Okay, maybe I need to buy some crazy high end designer clothes. But uh, I don't know. I have researched tons of like billionaires, and billionaires don't wear like expensive clothes. They basically wear because they don't have to prove anything. They have the money already. So that's why I don't like. I'm not a huge fan of designer clothes. Anyway, so let me show you another things that we have here. It's ridiculous. So then we have just like uh, you know black tea. So basic black tea, very high quality, very nice, very nice. I'm telling you. I would love to send you these, by the way, but I don't know how to, you know, I could do a giveaway with these. Would you guys be interested? I could send a couple of those that I haven't unpacked yet. Then we have the white T-shirt, and this has kind of like this kind of like a it's kind of rubber. It's in like it's very these are very high quality. Like these, I have never kind of like felt this type of material before. It's not. It feels like designer, to be honest. It feels like very high-end designer clothing. Like I'm telling you, I'm not even joking. Like it sounds stupid, but because usually when you think about like these kind of like gifts, they are not that great quality. But this is just insane. This is like very high-end stuff, And this feels great. The fit is great. Like it's just absolutely insane. And then we have like this is crazy. Let me show it. We have Binance slippers. It's crazy. I should open these ones. Okay, I'm going to test them out for you. Binance slippers. Okay, let's try them on. So I bought or not bought, they sent me this, but I took the 45 in Europe size. Oh, they smell like, they smell great. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just bawling at this point. I'm telling you guys. Oh my god, they feel great. Yeah, this is actually the right size. Hell yeah. I'm going to rock these ones daily. I'm telling you. And then what we have here is a couple pair of socks. I haven't opened up these, but I might as well. So they came in this fancy kind of like packaging. I have never done, these kind of videos before where I unboxing videos. I have never done unboxing videos, but this is the first time. So I'm a virgin to this kind of like content, but let's do it anyway. I think this is great. So I don't have scissors. Do I have scissors? I don't have scissors. So these are I don't want to open, but basically it's a basic sock with Binance logo, and then we have another one. Okay, I would like to give one of the T-shirt as a giveaway. Definitely, that would be great. And then we have a longer ones for like winter time. So we have summer and winter socks. That's great. I'm going to use these ones 100%. All of these I will use them because the material, I'm telling you, this is not cheap. The material is not cheap. I'm telling you, it's crazy, crazy like quality. It's insane quality. Then we have also, and there's another packet coming. I think it will come today or tomorrow. And then we have, off the charts. Look at this, off the charts, crazy. Binance water bottle. This is basically double wall vacuum technology. Look at this. It's ridiculous. It's great. This could be also a great thumbnail. We have tested out. But basically what this is it keeps hot and cold. So if you put like cold water here, it keeps it cold, and if you put hot soup or anything like that, or coffee or something like that, it keeps it, hot. And then there's there's this kind of like a where you can just keep it and drink it like this, and then there's the drinker one where it's like it's like this, and then you can just like open this and then just drink from there. It has two kind of like ways to do it, which is very interesting. I'm going to test it out today also. Very interesting. Because, it's crazy. So then if you remember kind of like from Pokemon, I love how they have thought this out. So for example, in Pokemon, do you remember when you have Pokemon, those kind of little squares where there's a hologram? I remember those. So look at here, it's like a hologram. This side is hologram, and then there's other side. It says Binance celebration 5 years in the making. This token of appreciation in our small way of thanking you for sharing your crypto journey with us, with compliments from Binance. Okay, share this in celebration by posting on social media using hashtag Binance turns 5. So I did that on Twitter, and I also put pictures and everything like that, and it's ridiculous. So I'm going to want CZ to retweet that. Like if CZ retweets that, that would be crazy. I don't know if that happens, but let's just like man can dream, baby. Let's go. Anyway, so that was the video. It was a 7-minute video. So let's actually try to make it 8 minutes. So maybe YouTube will recommend this or anything like that. I don't know. But this is a fun video. I hope that you enjoyed this. To see this kind of Binance packet, I have never got. Well, I got from KuCoin. I don't have it here because I'm currently at my parents, visiting my parents' house because my dad had some health issues. So I'm here, and it's great. It's great. He's doing great. Okay, and but I'm still here. Decided to be a little while here to take care and look after him. And also so I got from, so it's on my on my apartment in kind of like there, but KuCoin sent me this kind of like a golden ticket. It's like a golden, I don't know what it is, but it said that it will give me some kind of alpha, in this bear market. So I will share it with you guys via in the emails. And so I created this video here, and I'm pretty like flabbergasted that Binance sent me this stuff. I have never received this much stuff from anybody, but it's crazy. I love it, and the high quality is very high, and it's great. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was a pretty random one. It's not a price prediction video. It's kind of like an unboxing video. Anyway, thank you so much, and peace out. Okay.